Welcome back to another video. Today we got another review. We got 3-ton heavy duty jack stands from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this. We got the Pittsburgh Automotive. It says this side up. 3-ton heavy duty jack stands, perfect for repair and work or storage. Welded steel base for strength, self-locking ratcheting handle base, 7/5/8 by 6 3/4. That's for this base. Height is 11 by 3/4, which is this part, and then 16 by 3/8. I mean, probably this longer part. Alright, first thing we see the jack stands right there. These are the parts that go in the middle of the jack stand, the stifter part. Then we got an instruction manual there. Alright, here's the instruction manual. Pretty plain. This is one pair. We're going to read this. We just set it up aside. And these are the parts that go in the middle. The ratcheting part where this latches in there and it won't let it go down. Looks pretty good quality. I mean, the machine part, it's kind of rough. You know, obviously these are cheap jack stands. Don't expect excellent quality. I mean, if it's steel and it holds up and it doesn't break, it's pretty much its function. But it looks okay. I mean, it's I don't know if this is powder coated or just regular paint. Looks like it's just regular paint. Got some small chips in there. You know, for the price, this is pretty good. It says 3 tons right there, GR. Pretty much that's it for that. Set this aside. And let's look at the jack stands here. Pretty simple. I mean, it's well construction. Obviously, you got some welds right there, rough welds. Nothing that you see from the outside. Outside looks pretty clean. Material's pretty good. The paint, you got some chips there, minor chips. But other than that, it's pretty shiny, looks pretty good. You got some welding right there. Obviously not the best quality welding. Same here, not the best quality welding. This is pretty good little handle here. As you can see, there's the part that latches into the, I don't know if you guys can see it. See it? That's the part that latches into those. And it says 3-ton heavy duty. It says Pittsburgh on this side, Pittsburgh Automotive. And then you got some warning signs here, I guess. And the way it works, I don't know if you guys used them before. Most of you probably already know how this works. But all you do is just put this on the top here. And then just release this or lift this tab. And then just set it to your height. You set it all the way down. Or you can set it in the middle. Or all the way to the top. So that's the way these jack stands work. And then you just put the vehicle here. Obviously, when you put the vehicle on top here, you want to try to line it up in the middle here. You don't want to put it in one of the edges because this will tip over. So try and use the middle. Yeah, as best as you can, and always remember to chalk up the wheels and make sure you're not under the vehicle when this is up and going up and down with the jack. So yeah, let's go ahead and do a demo of these. See how these work. And try this out if we get some bands or anything with the vehicle, with the truck. Alright, make sure you press the tab that you guys see there. That usually prevents the middle part from going all the way up. So you see me there, jacking up the car, setting up the jack stands. Basically, you put it under, and then you just raise the middle part until you reach the vehicle. Just make sure you go to your instruction manual of the vehicle. Make sure you can put the jack stands in a place where you can jack. And there I'm doing a tire rotation on this vehicle. This vehicle, I have to do tire rotations every so often because of the empty tires. These tires are not wearing even, so I just gotta do the tire rotations every now and then. But yeah, they have no problems with these jack stands. These jack stands are pretty good quality, for the money. No bands, no nothing. They work perfectly fine. No, they're not giving or anything. So yeah, as you can see, I'm removing. After you jack up the vehicle, all you have to do is just lift the lever, drops down, and remove the jack stand. Pretty much that's it. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.